Hello everyone, this is our lecture 4 of chapter electricity, and the topics I am going to cover in this session are as follow. Electric power. In class 9, we studied that power is the rate of doing work, that is, work done per unit time. In electricity, electric power is defined as the amount of electric energy consumed per unit time. The SI unit of electric power is watt. 1 watt is equals to 1 joule per second. Derivation of relation P equals to VI. We know that power is given by work done per unit time. If we substitute work equals to VQ from potential difference relation and replace Q by T by electric current, then we can get P equals to VI. We have two more relations of electric power. If we substitute V equals to IR in relation P equals to VI, then we can get P equals to I square R as shown. Also, if we substitute I equals to V by R in relation P equals to VI, then we can get P equals to V square by R. Thus, electric power has three relations: VI, I square R, and V square by R. Let's try numerical based on electric power. An electric iron consumes energy at a rate of 840 watt when heating is at the maximum rate and 360 watt when the heating is at the minimum. The voltage is 220 volt. What are the current and the resistance in each case? We have been given electric power of 840 watt when heating is at the maximum rate and 360 watt when the heating is at the minimum rate. Using electric power relation P equals to VI and Ohm's law V equals to IR, we can calculate electric current and resistance in both the cases as shown. Commercial unit of electric energy. The commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour and it is also called unit. Electricity bill is generated by calculating total number of units consumed. 1 kilowatt hour is defined as the amount of electrical energy consumed when an electrical appliance of power 1 kilowatt is used for 1 hour. Relation between kilowatt hour and joule. If we convert 1 kilowatt into watt and 1 hour into seconds, then we can get 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Let's try numerical based on commercial unit of energy. An electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operates 8 hours per day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 3 per kilowatt hour? We have been given power, time, and we're supposed to calculate cost of electric energy consumed for 30 days. First, we convert power into kilowatt and then calculate electrical energy using relation energy equals to power into time and total cost for 30 days. I am assigning you this worksheet which is based on today's lecture.